In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Curseforge on your Bisecthosting server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your server is turned off in order for this to work. Then go to the left menu and select over here where it says Minecraft Tools. Then select on a Minecraft jar just like so. Now over here we're going to get this section that says mod loader, and all you want to do is you want to select on Curseforge. So please go ahead and select on that. And then over here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pick the version of Curseforge you would like to install. So we can download Curseforge from 1.7.10, 1.20.1 over here. So you just want to go ahead and specify the version. So let's install this one over here. Go ahead and press on install, press on proceed anyways. Then you want to select on your Minecraft version and your jar version. Just make sure that is congruent. And then afterwards, press on next. And then afterwards, it is going to ask you, what would you like to do with your existing files? So you could either delete the files, store existing files in an empty instance if you have an instance already just spare laying around, or you guys can install new jar on top of existing files. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it, but please consider the other options. Then what you want to do is you want to press on confirm, and now it is going to begin installing Curseforge on your Bisecthosting server. Wait for it to install. It may take a little while. Alright, and as you're able to tell, our server is now updated and we have Curseforge. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.